Hi guys, I'm Oliver from Photog 101 and welcome to my channel. We will be discussing how to evaluate a polynomial function. Sir, is there a way to determine the value of the polynomial function if x or the value of x is given? So, how can we do that, sir? Okay, so let us have an example. So, let's say the given polynomial function is written p of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 at x is equal to 1. Okay? So, your x is equal to 1. So, therefore, instead of writing x, we write 1 because your x is equal to 1. So, p of 1, your x is equal to 1. So, what is the value of your polynomial function if your x is equal to 1? So, you rewrite the expression here, 3, but instead of writing x, we write 1. We just simply substituting the value of x, which is 1, plus 5 times 1, which is your x, minus 2. Then, apply your knowledge in solving series of operation. Okay? So, we have 1 squared here, so that is 3 times 1 times 1 is 1, plus 5 times 1 minus 2. So, we have here 3 plus 5 minus 2. So, we have here 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 2 is 6. So, therefore, P of 1 is equal to 6. As simple as that. Okay? Just simply substitute, okay, the value of x on the given function to get the value of your function for x is equal to 1. Okay? So, let us have another example. Example number 2. So, let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5 at x is equal to negative 2. Yan. Your x is equal to negative 2. So, therefore, instead of writing f of x, you write f of negative 2 because your x is negative 2. Okay? Instead of writing x, we write negative 2. So, negative 2 cubed minus 7 times negative 2 squared plus 5. Okay? You just simply substitute negative 2 to your x. That's why we have negative 2 here. Negative 2. And you just copy 5 because there is no variable x there. Then evaluate it. So we have 3 times. Okay. The base is negative and the exponent is an odd number. So meaning to say that the answer is automatically negative. So, ulitin natin na, if your base is negative and the exponent is odd, your answer must be negative. Para hindi na kayo nalilito how to evaluate negative signs. Kaya na lang ha, negative ang base, odd. So, negative ang sagot. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Minus 7. Your base is negative. Your exponent is even. So, automatically, your answer is positive. even, negative. So, automatic positive yan. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5. Okay? So, we have here 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28 plus 5. Now, for you to get the value of f of negative 2, okay, try to look at this. You combine the like sign first. Then you subtract it to the unlike sign. Okay? You combine this, pareho kasi silang negative, you add. 24 plus 28 is 52. Then you copy the sign. Okay? Then you add 5. Unlike sign, you subtract. 52 minus 5 is 47 negative. Right? 47. So therefore, f of negative 2 is equal to 47. Okay? Another example. So let's say this time you are asked, okay, what is f of negative 2 squared? Okay. F of negative 2 squared, or you are asked to find f of negative 2 squared. Okay? So, for us to get the value of f of negative 2 squared, we need to get the value of f of negative 2. Or, let's make it positive. Sinod na natin negative kanina. So, make it positive. F of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 cubed minus 7 times 2 squared plus 5. Okay? So we have 3 times. So there's no problem here because your base is positive. So 8 minus 7 times 4 plus 5. Okay? So we have here 24 minus 28 plus 5. So this time, 24 and 5 contains a positive sign. So they are like signs. So you combine these two. 24 plus 5 is 29. Then you subtract it to 28. So the answer is 1. So f of 2 is 1. But you are asked to find what is the square of f of 2. We have already the value of f of 2 here. So you just simply get the square of this. So the square of f of 2 is equal to 1 squared. Okay? So the answer is still 1. And that's how to evaluate polynomial function.